Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing two WeatherTech clear covers for my license plates, and I will be doing this on my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition with the V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, disabled dynamic fuel management, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The clear license plate cover is made with a UV polycarbonate plastic. It is a one-piece lens and gasket design for easy installation. This cover is virtually indestructible, and once the license plate is properly seated within this gasket, it will seal out all moisture and dust, and that'll make your license plate last longer. And I don't know, I guess that's probably I don't know. So these are like $40, well, $35 I think, 35 bucks. My personal place costs about 40 bucks, and I think they're 40 bucks a year. So I think having this covering this, I think is a win-win. These are about 6 years old and they still look brand new. So with this, you have a total of 13 solid colors. I chose the black with brushed stainless steel. You also have, in the black, there are 5 color variations. You have solid black, you have black with a white insert, black with a red insert, you have chrome with the chrome insert, and the stainless steel. And like I said, there are 13 colors, including the black one. And those colors are, I will show you right now. Okay, hang on a second. Let me pull up my phone real quick. Darn it. Okay, here we go. So you have black, gray, white. You have a white you have a white insert with black, a chrome insert with black, brushed stainless steel, which is the one I have with the black frame. You have a red insert with the black frame. Then you have a red frame, orange, golden yellow, yellow, Kelly green, green, navy blue, blue baby, hot pink, and purple. But I think this is the best looking one. I probably should have got the chrome because I have chrome stuff on it, but my previous ones for my 2006 Silverado that I bought in 2012 had the brushed stainless steel. So now I'm going to show you how to place the plate correctly within this multi-flex gasket. All right, let me get this out of the way real quick. Now what you're going to want to do is put down a soft towel. Now on the cover here, on the back of it says the bottom, and of course this is the top. It also comes with 4 stay clips that go over the screws, which are right here. And you also get a package of assorted screws for mounting your plate to your car. My front license plate uses 4 screws. My rear only uses 2. I'm going to reuse my previous ones. I have them right here. So we're going to go ahead and do the front one first. So what you're going to do is sit it in here, and there's a lip all the way around the gasket. So you need to make sure that you don't squish that gasket. So let's go ahead and just take a little screwdriver, a little flat one, go all the way around. You're going to push the plate onto it, and I think I got it perfectly in there. So you're going to want to make sure that you're not pinching this lip right here, because that's what I did on my previous ones and water was getting in there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put the front one on, and as you can see, it looks pretty sweet. Now the tools you're going to need: a number 2 Phillips, and possibly an adjustable wrench, and a small flathead screwdriver just to help you with this gasket right here. Because like I said, you don't want to pinch this material down, otherwise you'll have a leak. So now I'll meet you at the front of the vehicle. Ah, damn, forgot the license plate. And then you have these 4 caps. On the caps, there's a little drainage hole that goes on, that points towards the bottom. And just take the clips and snap them in place. There you go. Looks sweet. And now, let's go to the rear. And now for the rear cover. Okay, so my rear one doesn't mount to the frame using the bottom screws. So what we'll have to do is, with the screw kit, they give you some shorter screws. But like I said, I'm going to use my original ones. So you can put in a shorter screw and the nut. And then what you're going to do is just tighten them down, but don't over tighten it. And then you're going to go ahead and snap in 2 of the what do they call these things again? Let me see. They are called click and stay screw caps. Okay, so now let's go to the rear and I'll install these 2 screws. Okay, now that you have the bottom screws and nuts installed, we'll go ahead and mount the frame, same as you do on the front. Now you don't want to over tighten them, you want to just do them really snug. And then you take those stay caps, I forgot what they're called again, I can't remember. Anyway, drain holes on the bottom and just snap them in place. And that's it. Looks sweet. So this is a wrap up on another video, so let me go ahead and do my closing spiel over on the side, and that's it. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of my 2 WeatherTech clear covers for both of my license plates. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, that really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you get notifications as new videos come out. And underneath this video, there is a button you can click. It's called Super Thanks. If you click on that, you can make a small donation to my channel. Everything I get goes back into my truck. And luckily, I got this in a few takes, so there is no bloopers. And I don't think I mentioned how much of these cost. On WeatherTech.com, just the black one, that is all black, is $29.95. All the other ones, including the ones with the chrome brushed stainless steel, red and white inserts, is $34.95. And of course, these dates are from 8/3/2022. They may go up in time. I can't remember how much I paid for the original ones, but these are from my 2006 Silverado that I bought in 2012. I can't remember when I bought these from WeatherTech, but when I bought this truck in 2019, I transferred these over, and I've been meaning to buy new ones for this truck, and I just finally got around to it. And do I recommend them? Yeah. Is it worth it? I think it is. Now the back one, I think is definitely worth it. If you don't want to get one for the front, or if you don't have a front license plate, just get one for the back, because your tags are pretty exposed, and if someone wants to come by, they can take a pair of tweezers or a flathead screwdriver and peel it off, and then they'll use your tags until they get caught with them. But if you have one of these on the rear, you'll have to, the person that wants to steal your tags will have to actually unscrew the license plate to get to them, and they're not going to want to do that. It'll just be easier if they go on to the next vehicle and look for one that doesn't have a cover on their rear license plate. So, with that said, this video is over. Have a great day, and may your license plates stay looking new forever. Have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing 2 WeatherTech clear covers. Damn it. First take and I already get it messed up. The license plate lens cover is made with a UV polycarbonate plastic. It is a one-piece lens design and also has a one-piece gasket that'll seal out. No, god damn it, I forgot how to word that. This clear lens cover is virtually indestructible, and it also comes with 4 stay clips that cover up the son of a bitch. And when the plate is inside of this frame, the gasket will seal out all moisture and dust, and it's very easy to install. I don't like that one either. The license plate, test 1, test 2, test 3. The license plate lens cover is made of a UV stable. Test 1, test 2, test 3. The license plate cover is made from a UV stable polycarbonate plastic. The lens is a one-piece design. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Now, one more time. May your license plates stay spotless. Anyway, have a good day, and see you in the next video. Bye.